Windows tablets are ideal for increased productivity while on the go and for professional use as it comes with lots of useful apps like Microsoft Office. They're useful for more than just keeping in touch with friends and family on social media, playing casual games, or watching the latest Netflix episode. Furthermore, the best of them can offer you advantages over many regular laptops. Windows tablets are ideal for users who are frequently on the go or on a budget because they combine power with portability at a lower price. In this video, we've listed the 5 best Windows tablets you can buy right now. So, let's look into it. A vibrant or colorful display is most important when you're about to take notes, go through PDFs, or watch movies. And the Chuwi UBook X12 has a gorgeous display and unique design with Windows OS for an immersive content experience. With a 12-inch IPS full laminated screen, the tablet will give you an accurate color and brightness. This tablet supports 2K resolution, which will allow you to see the crispness of your images. With the U-shaped bracket design, you can adjust the tablet from 0 to 145 degrees and it weighs only 780 grams. The UBook X features Intel Gemini Lake and 4120 low power processor, which will give you less heat and better performance to finish your daily tasks. With 8GB of RAM and 256GB of SSD, you can load and switch your applications without waiting for long periods. Packed with a 38 WH battery capacity, which can reach up to 9 hours of battery life to meet your needs for a whole day. Overall, for the users who love using Windows to watch movies, edit videos, read documents, and browse web pages, the Chuwi UBook X12 will give them a fantastic view. For users who want a budget-friendly Microsoft tablet to do their daily tasks, Microsoft Go 3 can be a pretty good option. Equipped with a 10.5-inch Pixel Sun display with ambient light support, the tablet will give you enough brightness and precise color view at this affordable price. The display is also secured by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 for protection from external damage, and its lightweight and compactness will give you the ability to carry it wherever you go. Rigged with a 10th Gen Intel Core i3 processor and 8GB of RAM, this will provide you ultimate performance with smooth multitasking ability. It also features up to 128GB of SSD of storage for faster boot up and data transfer. The device also comes with a preloaded Windows 11 to experience all the best kinds of programs and Microsoft applications. Up to 11 hours of battery life will bring out your all-day productivity and give you the capacity to complete your daily tasks even when you're on the go. Altogether, to get your work done with ultimate performance with smooth multitasking ability at an affordable price, the Microsoft Surface Go 3 should be the one to look for. If you're looking for tablets to invest your money on and give you the performance you demand, the Lenovo ThinkPad X12 Detachable is attractive at being 2-in-1 tablet you can buy in a single package. The 12.3 Full HD IPS display will give you rich color and brightness, which will allow you to see through the glare even in sunlight. It has a 3:2 aspect ratio that gives you more vertical room for documents and web pages. This tablet comes with the 11th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and up to 16GB of RAM, which is more than enough to do your daily tasks like web browsing, editing documents, reading news, and watching movies. With up to a massive storage of 1TB SSD, you can store your important office files or movies without carrying external storage. And a 5-megapixel front camera will allow you to set meetings even when you are on the go. For your all-day work, the battery will give you up to 11 hours so that you can get through your meetings without having to recharge too often. In general, to get optimum performance with high-end configuration, the Lenovo ThinkPad X12 Detachable is noticeably value for money. Tablets are mostly aimed at business users who prioritize portability to carry them when they're on the go. And the Dell Latitude 7320 Detachable is the one to fit in your bag. The Latitude features a 13-inch Full HD display which delivers up to 500 nits of brightness and is enough to make it usable even under the sunlight so that you can easily edit your documents or browse web pages when you're outside. Equipped with 11th Gen Intel Core i7, 16GB of RAM, and 256GB of SSD, This will allow you to speed up your work and bring you more productivity with fast loading and smooth application switching. The 5-megapixel front camera will allow you to organize your meetings at 1080p 30fps. This tablet weighs only 789 grams, which will let you stay productive anywhere. With a 40Wh battery, you'll get up to 12 hours of battery life, which will get your work done before going for another charge. Features like Express Charge helps you to boost up to 80% of charge in just an hour. All in all, the Dell Latitude 7320 Detachable is a well-designed Windows tablet that comes with powerful processor, RAM and storage, along with plenty of manageability options. Windows tablets seem to be first priority for many users. And for the users who want to experience the purest of Windows in a tablet, the Microsoft Surface Pro 8 is one of the best tablets launched by Microsoft till date. This device features a 13-inch pixel-sense display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which will give you accurate color, smooth animation, and less lag while you're scrolling. For the natural feeling of pen on paper, you can pair it with Surface Slim Pen 2, and to speed up your typing, you can connect with Surface Pro's signature keyboard. With an 11th Gen Intel Core i7, 256GB of storage, and up to 32GB of RAM, it will provide you the performance to do your work on time and encourage all-day productivity. The built-in 5-megapixel 1080p front-facing camera will help you to set up online friends meetings or office meetings. As for battery life, you will get up to 16 hours, which is more than enough to do your daily tasks even when you're on the go. Overall, for the people who love to carry tablets instead of laptops, the Microsoft Surface Pro 8 will give portability with high-end performance. So, that was all about the top 5 best Windows tablets just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.